Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account bio history on Instagram. So let's get right into the video. Once you're in your profile of your Instagram account, head over to the hamburger menu and then go to your activity option under how you use Instagram section. Then if you scroll down, you can see your account history. Tap on that. Then you can see the options newest to oldest, all date, and update type. Click on update type. Then click on bio and apply. Here you can see your account history. If you want to clear all these, just tap on clear all in the upper right corner. And if you tap on it, your account bio history on Instagram will be deleted forever. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.